8:45, welcome back. We're marking the beginning of National Prevention Week, a national push for substance abuse prevention. Connecticut is marking the 10th anniversary of NPW with some great activities to help get young people engaged in prevention early on. And one of those activities is a read-along with a furry friend designed to help people, especially young people, with their mental health. Joining us this morning to talk more about that, we have Michelle Peters from the Connecticut chapter of the American Foundation for Suicide Prevention, and we have Jen Adams, who is the mom of that furry friend, Gizmo. And Jen, we're going to start with you and Gizmo. Can you introduce Gizmo and just how what's called the Possum Guide started?
Absolutely. So this is Gizmo. He's a registered therapy dog as well as the world's tiniest canine first responder. His social media is at Gizmo's Friends, FRENS, Facebook and Insta. He is involved in Gizmo's Possum Guide to Mental Health. He's the narrator of the book, and I'll have Michelle tell you all about how the book works and how to get involved in a read-along.
Sure. Yeah. Thank you, Jen. Thank you, Gizmo. The program was actually started between the Department of Mental Health Addiction Services and the United Way 211. And now AFSP, the American Foundation for Suicide Prevention, has partnered nationally to roll out this awesome program with with Gizmo, because we know that mental health is so important to youth, and they don't always pay attention, and they don't always know how important it is. We also wanted to support them in identifying their trusted adults, and thus this program came to be.
Now, Jen and Michelle, what are some of the highlights of the book that Gizmo can share with us today?
Oh, absolutely. I'm happy to answer that. Jen, you could jump in if you want to. But inside the book, you're going to find answers to questions. What is mental health? We also talk about mental health is as important as physical health. It offers some daily activities that support mental health and wellness, how to identify when mental health needs attention, some internal and even external mental health coping strategies that support your mental health, and really, most importantly, how to identify and connect with your trusted adults.
Yeah, I think one way that I sometimes see it portrayed online very succinctly is that mental health is health, period. And I think that's a great way of looking at it. Jen, actually for either one of you, you can answer this. Maybe what can families do after reading the guide with Gizmo?
Jen, you want me to take it? I'll go ahead. So
go ahead, Michelle.
Yeah, sure. So one of the things they can do in the guide at the back, and they'll see this coming up, but there's a pledge they can take. It's called Gizmo's Pledge for Mental Health. It's really designed for both young people and their trusted adults to fill this out together. They can do it online, and really it includes a plan that they can use when they feel sad, mad, or worried, or anxious. Another thing we're doing, you mentioned it at the top, is that we're doing a read-along. Gizmo will be there with a partner to read May 13th. And I believe you're going to show the link where they can register, but it's a bit.ly/Gizmo2021 to register for free. And it's going to be a lot of fun. And also, like you said, it is Mental Health Awareness Month. This is National Prevention Week, and we really want to direct you to Gizmo's website, which is gizmo4mentalhealth.org, to find other activities and ways you can be involved. And also afsp.org/Connecticut to find out other programming events that we can offer you as well here in the state.
Michelle, Jen, and Gizmo, thanks so much for being with us, and of course all that you're doing to spread the message for suicide prevention.
Thank you. Thanks for having us.
Thank you both. Thank you, Gizmo. And you
so
can
cute.
I know, he's like a stuffed animal. It's so cute. Expect more continuing coverage on Fox 61. Everything you need to know about National Prevention Week. It's on fox61.com and on the free Fox 61 News app right now.